Hello all. In this video we'll see a pose estimation using OpenVINO. So my name is Abhishek Nandi. I am PhD scholar. I am also OpenVINO champion innovator as well as one API instructor as well as one API innovator too. I've also done Udacity Nano Degree course specifically meant for the MLOps, added exercises and also content to the course itself. I'm also working as a chief data scientist at Predict Business Solution Private Limited. So let's start. So what we are dealing with? We are dealing with OpenVINO pose estimation. So this project involves developing a Streamlit web application because what we are trying to achieve is a final goal, which is a complete application that works with OpenVINO and with Stable Diffusion, ControlNet, OpenPose, working all together to give the human pose estimation. What is the main target of the app? Users can upload images to the app when they employ OpenPose for detecting human figures and their poses. The app further utilizes the combined capabilities of Stable Diffusion and ControlNet to modify or highlight these poses. The final output displays the original image alongside a version with pose annotations, offering an interactive and visual representation of the human poses. So the setup not only showcases the intersection of deep learning and image processing, but also makes advanced pose estimation techniques accessible to users via a simple web interface. So code explanation. So if you just focus along, I have the entire setup ready because if I again load the entire process, it takes time. As you see, like it has got a lot of components in it. It goes through the process, clip text config and load certain things. So the pipeline takes a little bit of time to load. So I've already kept it loaded. So if you focus along, this is the code where we have used Streamlit, PyTorch, diffusers, then ControlNet and OpenVINO. So first we are using the function to visualize the post results. The process is being shown over here. We are displaying the figure using Streamlit. We are also using a function to clean up the touch-ups cache. If there is any cache created, we are removing it. The main function goes through the process of like getting the OpenVINO, the XML and the bean file for doing the entire process in terms of OpenVINO itself, model loading process, loading the ControlNet model. It shows the process is complete, spinner is added. Then we are using the Stable Diffusion version v15 from pre-trained model itself. This gets downloaded, converting the model to OpenVINO format. Then we do the OpenVINO pose estimation. So the entire code that you see, it's being shared in the GitHub. So you'll find in the video itself that video link itself that the GitHub code has been given. So again, if we just focus along what is done in the code. So first we are importing the libraries. The script imports various libraries from Streamlit, PyTorch, built for image processing, NumPy, Matplotlib, diffusers, custom utilities, ControlNet, Aux, and OpenVINO, visualize the post results functions. Then we use the cleanup touch-up script cache function. Now after that, what exactly the Streamlit main function is doing? The function starts with setting up the Streamlit user interface, includes titles and file uploaders, model loading. ControlNet loads the ControlNet model from a pre-trained source. The model is used in conjunction with Stable Diffusion for image processing. Stable Diffusion pipeline loads the Stable Diffusion pipeline with the ControlNet model. Then we are using the OpenPose detector model, loads the OpenPose detector model for pose estimation. Then OpenVINO model conversion is being done, where if the this is the major part because we are focusing on the OpenVINO part of the machine learning. So if the OpenPose model is not already converted to OpenVINO format, it converts and saves it. So this is the entire pipeline that's been created and it's in the web web interface, and finally it displays the result. So let's take a look at the demo itself right now. So here the demo is being loaded. I will just refresh it once again. We will see step by step. First, ControlNet model is being loaded, then the Stable Diffusion pipeline has been loaded, and Open Detector model loaded. So everything has been converted and will be loaded from the XML bin file, because we are also using the OpenVINO version of it. As you can see, it ran through all the process, loading the pipeline components to step by step. Now if I select one particular image, I have this Jasprit Bumrah bowling image itself. I'll just open it up, so it will compare. Again it goes through the process like loading the diffusion pipeline model, OpenPose model, processing the image, and finally we'll see the result. Just a moment. You'll see the pose estimation, both after image processing as well as using the OpenVINO method itself. So you saw like what has been done. So this is like a complete pipeline and a web app being created. The code is being hosted over here. You can go through it. The XML and the bin file has been shared. You can just have a look at it. Probably this will help in creating different kind of application, and I think as it has been integrated as a web app for pose estimation, it becomes a very helpful tool for others to follow. So that's the process, or that's the learning experience I had and I shared. Probably I will do more. Thank you for watching the video.